Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that might just change the way you think about staying fit as you age. You've probably seen them, those vibrant, active seniors who seem to defy the aging process. Well, it's not just luck or genetics, it's a lifestyle choice that keeps them moving. Imagine a life where every action, no matter how small, contributes to your overall fitness. That's the beauty of what researchers call non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT for short. It's not about hitting the gym or running marathons, it's about turning your daily routine into a low-grade, purposeful movement. Now, let's break it down. First up, cooking. It's not just a chore, it's a full-body workout. Chopping, stirring, bending, all these actions add up. Compare that to ordering in, where you're sitting the whole time. Next, maintaining your home. Vacuuming, cleaning, doing laundry, these tasks might seem mundane, but they're a goldmine of physical activity. Just think, by doing these chores, you're expending an extra 350 calories a day. Then there's gardening. Squatting, digging, lifting, it's like a natural gym session, and the best part? It's outdoors, providing a dose of fresh air and vitamin D. Walking is another underrated form of movement. When you walk to the shops or visit friends, it's not just exercise, it's a means of transportation. And the best part? You don't need to motivate yourself to do it because it's already part of your routine. Taking the stairs is another simple habit that makes a big difference. It's not a conscious decision but a default habit, and that's what makes it sustainable. Carrying things is another functional form of resistance training. Whether it's groceries or grandchildren, these everyday tasks keep your grip strong and your bones healthy. Standing more than sitting is another powerful NEAT habit. Research shows it can result in an extra 2,000 calories of expenditure per day. An active social life also contributes to fitness. Meeting friends for walks, playing with grandchildren, attending community events, these social activities keep you moving without even realizing it. Running errands is another opportunity for movement. Instead of batching errands into one efficient trip, make multiple small trips. Each trip involves getting up, getting dressed, and moving around, adding up to significant daily activity. Lastly, having a purpose that requires your body is the key to staying fit. Whether it's tending to your garden, cooking for your family, or playing with your grandchildren, these activities keep you moving with purpose and meaning. So, there you have it, folks. A life filled with purposeful movement is the secret to staying fit as you age. It's not about luck or genetics, it's about architecture, building a life that moves. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace a life of NEAT? Let's chat in the comments and share our thoughts on this fascinating concept.